James here from HEB. Today we're going to be installing the 26x4 POWERSCAPE with your new tubes. You're also going to need some tire levers and a pump. So this tire is non-directional. You can put it on either way you like. It does have a max inflation of 20 psi. I like to start by opening it up a little bit. It's been all cramped up in the box. So let's take a second and get it open there. I like to put half the tire on first. Then you're going to need your 26x4 tube. And I like to put a little air in there just to give it some shape. And you can just lift your tire up and put the tube in there. Get your valve through, just put your cap on, just keep it from pulling out. Yeah, I like to start from the back and work around. And most of these go on fairly easy. Get your pump out. Now as you inflate this, you're going to want to make the bead even all the way around. So you're going to have to put some air in there first. So make sure that you get this reveal even all the way around so that you don't get the wobbles when you're riding or get a high spot in your tire like this one. So you can just squeeze it into place. In places where it's stuck in low, just pull it back toward you a little bit. And then let's check the other side. Oh, completely out. Just squeeze and push that back in there. Now we should be able to finish inflating. Once you get to your desired PSI, you get to install your valve cap. Okay, ready to ride.